What was this guy? Luke. Thanks, Luke. Next up, Mike 2 Swole is this guy's name. This is very exciting.
Hope he doesn't disappoint.
Mike
What do we got? We got two. Is that 280 or those 2.5s or 5s in the end there?
Looks like it.
Yeah.
280.
2.5. All right, we got
280
280 on the bar.
That's a 5 above that 45.
Oh,
no,
yeah.
That's a 10.
It's a 10.
Is it just me, or does it look like he's touching in his belly?
Yeah. He's doing what the Westside people do and just bouncing off their gut.
Who is the Westside that you're always talking about?
I'll show you.
Chase has just started a war. That's basically all you need to know.
We'll drive to Ohio later.
I know. Yeah. I'm like, are there gonna be gang signs? Like, what's going on?
No.
Where I come from, Westside.
It's like a 30-hour drive. You guys can be there tomorrow. We'll hang out with Lou.
But we have to be invited in.
Yeah, man. Mike 2 Swole. By the way, which is if you're looking for a nickname, this is a good example of a nickname that you can give yourself. It's Mike 2 Swole. But think about tying your legs to the bar. Okay. You want them connected, so you're getting a really good pop off your chest. You know, you're fast guy. You're really generating like a solid turnaround just with your arms. But what we want you to do is pull your feet back a little bit more, almost where you have them on the end rack. And then as you're starting that drive off your chest, think about jolting into the ground with your legs. Give it like a nice kick. You can even use the cue kick if you have someone yell it at you, like almost for a press command. And then you'll notice a sharper bounce out of the bottom. But I think these are really solid powerlifting benches.
Yeah, I was gonna say like this equipment looks pretty damn good. But if anything, I don't like your touch point. I want it a little bit higher. I want your elbows out just a little bit more to kind of get a little bit more pec involvement. Because you can kind of tell at the bottom your elbows shoot in just a little bit, and then that upward jolt from the stomach is kind of saving you in that little range of motion, whereas you're not getting anything from the pecs there.
Yeah, this is like the power belly bench.
Yeah. His hand placement looks fine. Like I can't really see that. Like his elbows seem.
What were you saying about taking his hands out or no?
No, I wasn't saying anything. Okay. And also, don't clamp at bench, man. That shit is redonkulous.
I mean, the
he's ready.
Sorry, I didn't hear any of that. You guys are all talking at the same time. What was that, Phoebe?
No, I was just saying he's got this awesome spotter with the beats on. He's ready. You know?
Yeah, the spotter's not really. He's just like hype manning. He's just looking at the camera, making funny faces.
He's probably just counting or some shit.
So, by the way, that machine on the far left of the video, like the hammer strength, if you ever get the chance to use it, amazing. Incredibly fun. 10 out of 10 times.
I knew you were going to say it's fun. I knew that was the word you were going to use to describe that.
Because they're like it's because they do their best to replicate dumbbells instead of just using dumbbells, but like it goes in all directions, you know. So like you can also sweep them in at the same time. It feels really interesting. Yeah. It feels like some sort of space age newfangled gym doohickey.
Yeah. All right. Well, let us know when they get one at Wichita Falls Athletic Club, and we'll give it a shot. Thanks, Mike 2 Swole. I think we've got another video for you next week as well. So, come back next week.